Today we're diving into a topic that's becoming essential in today's fast-paced business world, the role of an Agile coach. They say champions are made, not born. And in the world of Agile, your champions could very well be the Agile coaches in your organization. See, with their transformative power, hiring them isn't just a luxury anymore. It's actually a necessity. So what exactly do Agile coaches even do? Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's rewind a bit. Before 2001, many companies relied on the waterfall approach to project management. This method was rigid, assuming every project would succeed, but studies show that a staggering 84% of these projects don't hit their targets. In the real world, as I'm sure you know, projects are messy, filled with errors, changes, and revisions. Just like a car stuck in the mud, businesses often spin their wheels without gaining traction. So how do organizations escape this trap? They need to embrace customer centricity, high-performance teaming, and a system that flows. And that is where Agile coaches come in. Think of Agile coaches like a sports coach, taking a good team and making it great. Agile coaches meet teams where they are, helping them improve efficiency and effectiveness by instilling Agile values like adaptability and collaboration. For example, an Agile coach helped a struggling tech team double their release speed simply by introducing daily stand-ups and retrospective meetings. This wasn't just about speed. It was about enhancing effectiveness and boosting morale. But it doesn't stop there. Agile coaches also play a pivotal role in helping management learn new leadership skills. Agile transforms leadership from a command and control style to a servant leadership approach. Coaches guide leaders in empowering their teams, fostering autonomy, and building trust. This shift allows leaders to focus on strategic goals while supporting their teams in achieving business objectives. Now let's talk about some more specifics. Agile coaches act as a catalyst for change. They help organizations adopt Agile methodologies and wear many hats. For example, at PayPal, Hyperdrive's Agile coaches guided thousands of developers to improve customer focus and speed up product launches. In another instance, a large financial corporation boosted its team efficiency by 600% through cross-functional collaboration and shorter feedback loops. And that's the power of Agile coaching. And Agile coaches carry a multitude of responsibilities. They serve as educators and mentors, helping teams understand Agile principles. They run workshops, tackle process bottlenecks, and collaborate with product owners to refine project backlogs. Plus, they're the mediators who help enhance team collaboration and resolve conflicts. Using models like GROW, which is goal, reality, options, and way forward, they help team members develop problem-solving skills and foster a culture of empathy. Listen, Agile coaches are crucial for organizations looking to thrive in today's landscape. By understanding the impact of Agile coaching, organizations can leverage their expertise to meet their strategic goals. So if you want to create leaders and change in your organization, consider hiring an Agile coach. And if you're wondering what exactly is Agile in today's day and age, check out this video right here.